Hi, my name is Emma Hoover, and I just want to start off by saying how grateful and thankful that I am for this reward. I'm still in awe trying to process it. I just want to start off by saying thank you in general. To be standing here tonight is such a pleasure in a room full of people full of so much talent, passion, and kindness. It is an incredible honor. To my family, friends, and all those who supported me through this and believed in me and helping me bring this dream to life, thank you. This award means more than I can even put into words. This award is not just mine, it is to everybody who helped me in getting and receiving this reward. Everyone who allowed for this creativity, this growth and grace, you are my foundation. I want to thank my family and friends who not only helped me with this reward, but helped me in my homestead. Y'all are my rock, and I adore you and could never replace y'all. Thank you for the laughter in times of sorrow, the different perspectives, and the light at the end of my tunnel. Anyone who is watching this and will or is currently chasing their dreams, keep going and keep chasing them. There will be moments that you feel it will break you, but continue to push through. These moments will only make you stronger. Keep showing up and continue to be better each and every day. I'm so very grateful to share my journey with y'all in hopes that I can inspire you to do the same. Thank you all so very much and have a great rest of your day. Thank you.